Let's chug it. No, I can't do
Chug
that.
it.
I can't.
Try.
It's Sprite.
It's a fishing trip. Give me one. I'll chug with you guys. Oh my gosh, so what is that?
Jeremiah! You just dumped it on you.
Oh, are you fishing?
Huh? Do you want to use my knife?
Oh, you got a fish.
Yeah. So you hold it on the ground with one hand, right?
Oh, don't hit your sister.
And then you do that. And then you roll it. Good job.
Are we having a fun fishing trip? I'm letting you guys throw rocks. Hey. Hi. Happy fish trip.
Yay.
Happy fish trip.
Yay.
Yeah.
2016.
Yeah, 2016, huh?
No, April 3rd, 2016. 2016, yeah.
There you go. First fishing trip of the year. We're gonna do lots this year, huh?
Ready?
Oh, am I going too?
Well, that's why I got you one. Here, I'll record you guys.
No, you gotta.
No, I'm not doing this. Yes, you are.
Let's set it up.
You're doing it.
Let's see, can I flip it around? Let's see.
Careful. You should set it right here.
Will you stay in the tree?
Look, Daddy.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Apparently Tatiana knows what's up. I don't know if that's it. Stand over there. Right there. Oh. Sorry, people.
Ready? No. Mine's gonna go. But not a lot. My tummy's gonna hurt really bad after this.
Hold on.
Well, this is mainly me and Maya. Every time we stop, we have to spin 3 times, okay?
Oh, it's okay. Shake it.
No, T. You don't have to spin.
Yeah. I'll
Yeah,
do
it's
it
one
too.
of those chug challenges. I'm not doing it. When you stop, you have to spin 5 times.
No, 2 times.
Okay, no, 3.
Alright, 3 times.
3 times. Once.
4 for you. Oh, you stop. Spin.
No? No, there was some right here.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, we're chugging? Come on, spin.
Mine's already halfway gone. Stinks like beer.
I don't even drink beer. How does it stink like beer?
I'm not even drinking it, by the way.
Why?
Because I'm not doing it. It survived. I just got a whole bunch of rocks in that.
Drink it. Drink Nana's. There you go. Chug. Chug, chug, chug. Go.
Woo!
Now
Keela
spin.
wins.
Spin.
Spin 3 times.
You gotta spin around 3 times. 1,
1,
2.
2.
Whoa.
One
Good
more.
job. 1 more. 3.
3. Okay, now
Drink
chug.
the rest. All right, now spin. 3.
6.
Okay, go.
Ready?
1.
1,
It's all right. 2.
2,
Go fast.
3,
4.
4,
5.
5.
Woo! Now put your hands up. We
Go.
win.
Done.
Done. Daddy-daughter day.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Broke it. Did you really?